Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by powering down and clearing the work area, safety first. Once unplugged, drop the throat plate and remove lint, old thread, and loose debris. This immediately eliminates common snags. Next, check the needle visually and swap if it's bent, burred, or the wrong size. A damaged needle causes shredding. Finally, rethread the upper thread slowly, following the tension discs and K-cup lever. Make sure the bobbin is seated and threaded correctly. These actions remove most basic causes of thread breaks. Once primary checks are done, focus on tension and interaction points. You clean the upper tension discs and test at a mid-range setting. If thread still snaps, adjust in small increments to find balance. Then examine the bobbin case edge and post for roughness. Any burrs bite thread, so polish or swap the case. Make sure the feed dogs and presser foot pressure allow smooth fabric travel. Improper pressure pulls thread. If stitches still skip, check needle timing. Mistiming will cut or trap thread between parts. Now you finish by running a controlled test. Use scrap fabric and the same thread weight you'll sew with, then sew a swatch while watching stitch formation. Make small, single-step adjustments to tension, presser pressure, or stitch length and retest. This isolates the variable causing breaks. Replace any visibly worn parts like the needle plate or bobbin case. If thread still breaks, record when and how it happens and seek professional service, or refer to the machine manual. This documentation speeds.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.